chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey guys, I'm gonna start off with my eyebrow. So follow along. I'm only gonna do one eyebrow just so we can speed up the process. You guys already know. I don't really fill in my brows that much with the powder. I just go back mainly with the NYX pen. Okay, so now I'm going in with the NYX Lift and Snatch. With this, you guys gotta be light-handed because if not, honey, your eyebrows gonna look crazy. I just bought these lashes. They came in, I think, Friday, and they're from SHEIN. And look at you guys. I don't know the number, but I need to cut the inner corner. I'll put it down below in the outer corner. They look like this. Okay, so it comes with two beautiful spoolies. I'm not gonna double stack them. It comes with this. Push them. I will be using these today. And then it comes with some tweezers. So thank you. And these lashes was what, $4 bucks? Not bad, you guys. So lashes too dry. I have my fan, but it broke, so I gotta use what I got. I could put it in the middle first, grab it from the end. Okay, so now let's apply the lashes. So we'll work my way in the front. And now I just need to push it together. Okay, now let's do the other one. The same thing. You want to place it in the middle. Don't worry, you guys, I'm gonna fix them. And just like a magnet, it's on. I'm gonna add a little more mascara, let that dry a little, and then press them together fully so I know they're gonna stay. I went to Walmart the other day to try to find some more. Bitch, they had the dual glue instead of this. Like, this is how it looks. It's the Kiss adhesive. You guys, the glue I use is bomb. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding my foundation. I just apply it on the back of my hand right here. Only apply a little bit because you guys don't need a lot. Oh, wait a minute. I need to apply my primer grip, my e.l.f. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the foundation with my Sephora brush, and it's the foundation brush. Pin it on my face. Oops, I got it in my hair, girl. Sheesh. Going in with this brush, and I'm gonna gently just start blending it. I'm gonna let that set for a little, and then I'll blend it. And while that's happening, get into those inner corner of the eyes. We're gonna blend out the nose first because last time I did that, I left the nose last. I didn't blend out the. If you guys don't know how to contour, it's not hard. You always want to go back with a beauty blender just to blend everything out. Okay, I need to set underneath my eyes because I forgot. It starts looking cray cray. Then Don't worry, you guys, I'm not gonna stay looking white. Basically blend everything in the skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my fan brush